Why then, build me thy fortune upon the basis of valor. Challenge me, the Count's youth, to fight with him. Hurt him in 11 places. My niece shall take note of it, and assure thyself, there is no love broker in all the world can more prevail in man's commendation with woman than report of valor. Go, write it in a martial hand. Be cursed and brief. It is no matter how witty, so it be eloquent and full of invention. Taunt him with the license of ink. If thou thou'st him some thrice, it shall not be amiss. And as many lies as will lie in thy sheet of paper, though the sheet were big enough for the bed of ware in England, set 'em down. Let there be gall enough in thy ink, though thou writest with a goose pen. No matter. What about it?